Come on. Keep going. Yeah, keep going. He is walking down the steps. I tried to show him how to scoot down, but that wasn't working. Come on. Also, want to give a big shout out to Mr. Dooley over in Mead Village for cutting my baby's hair. He did an awesome job. Didn't care if he was crying. Had a plan for that. And got the perfect hair. Well, he's a little bedazzled right now because I'm finishing up a tutu. So he got into some of my material, but yes, his haircut is a little bedazzled with some sparkly stuff. Come on. This. Come on. Say good morning. Good morning. Come on. Look at those little legs.